everyone, and welcome back to another video of my channel. This video is gonna be about a day in my life, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it. So now let's get out of bed and make my bed. It's still very early, so that's why it's still dark outside, but now I'm gonna go to the bathroom to do my daily morning stuff, like brushing my teeth, etc. I'll go in now. See you guys later. Alright everyone, so now I just got done taking a shower and did some other stuff, and now it's time to do my skincare. So here I'm using a moisturizer because my skin does get pretty dry quite often, and this really helps my skin. And here I have some vitamin C drops, which really enlightens my face as well. It basically makes my face glow. Time to change my clothes. I'm freezing. Alright, so now that I have changed my clothes and now that I'm not freezing as much as I did before, I'm gonna go downstairs now to make myself some breakfast because honestly I'm starving. So yeah, let's go downstairs together. So for breakfast today, I was thinking about making a basic bagel sandwich with some tea on the side. So what? Actually going to go ahead and you guys. So I'm done cooking and the tea and the sandwich smells delicious, so I'm gonna start eating like directly. I'm now done eating and I'm just quickly gonna go over there and put my cup and my plate where the sink is because I don't have time to wash them now. The sun is finally up, which also means that I will now start packing my backpack before I go out. So here I have my personal notebook. I literally cannot live without this notebook. I write down like everything in this notebook, so let's just put it in my bag. And now my textbook that I brought home from school to study because I have an exam coming up soon. And now here's my body mist. I take this to school every day because in case I get sweaty and stuff, I just put this on to still smell good. And it's literally my best friend. Oop. Yeah, so let's put it in there too. And last but not least, my wallet. I need money to buy food for lunch and stuff, so that will go in there too. Alright, I'm finally done, which means that I'm finally ready to go out. Let's just quickly take my keys, cause can't forget about them. And it's also raining outside right now, so I'm gonna take my umbrella too. It's still raining a lot, but instead of taking the bus or the train, I'm just gonna go to school with my bike like I usually do. I finally made it to school like safe and sound and didn't get that wet. But yeah, now I have my math lecture. So let's get to class. Guys, I'm finally back home, and honestly, it was such an exhausting day, but at least I got good grades on the most recent math exam that we had. But now I'm gonna go upstairs and change to something more comfy. Alright, I'm done changing into something more comfy, and honestly, it feels way better this way. But anyway, now that I've changed, I'm gonna go to my office and start studying because I have a lot of exams coming up soon, unfortunately, so I need to study for them. Okay guys, I'll take a break from studying for now because my stomach is literally growling and begging for food. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and prepare some dinner. For dinner today, I'm gonna try to make homemade sushi, and I'm kind of excited to do this because I've never done homemade sushi before, and it sounds delicious, so let's go. I'm done cooking, and even though it took a lot of effort and time, I'm finally done, and these look so good, so I'm so ready to start eating everything up. I'm done eating, and it was so good, but unfortunately it's now time to do the dishes. Every single day, I like to come up here to my personal home gym and just exercise a little bit before I go to bed because I feel like it just helps my mindset and body, so that's what I'll be doing now. Alright, now that I've changed into my exercising clothes, I can finally start exercising, so let's go. that was a rough but good workout if I have to be honest. But now I'll take a shower because I'm all sweaty and I don't want to stink for the rest of the night. So I'll go into the bathroom now. I'm done showering and I have also changed back into my comfy pajamas. So now I'll go and write in my journal because I feel like it's a healthy exercise for your brain and I do it every night. So it's a part of my night routine. So yeah. It is now past 9 p.m. and even though it might sound quite early, I am super sleepy right now and tired as well. So I think I'm gonna go to bed now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it and good night.